movies in general to get made.
I fell in love with film.
That's the way I was known for many years.
Making a movie is make-believe. Every part I play has something of myself in it. I always like to select a role where I can play something that excites me.
I act out of my beliefs, Father, not because I want to please the village.
Stanley Kubrick had a script, Paths of Glory. No studio would make it. I read it and I said, Stanley, this picture may not make a nickel, but I will see that we make it.
We'll take the anthill.
And we made it.
There are times when I'm ashamed to be a member of the human race, and this is one such occasion.
The McCarthy era was a terrible time in America. When I did Spartacus, I made a decision. I said we will use the name Dalton Trumbull, and that broke the blacklist.
We'll free every slave in every town and village.
Movies will not rely too much on special effects. I was talking to Schwarzenegger, and I said, why is it when you gotta kill a guy, you use about 100 bullets? When I was in a Western, I would kill a guy with one bullet. When I had my stroke and I couldn't talk at all, I finally made a picture called Diamonds. That meant a lot to me, that I could overcome the handicap of having a stroke.
I want to create things that touch people. I want to move them so they say he feels deeply and tenderly.
So I have learned one thing in life that I pass on to all of you. Never, never give up.